These are my 5 stock picks in the South African market. So I'm going to go through each of them, what the current price is, what my predictions are. The first one is Sibiya Stillwaters, Sibiya Stillwaters, which is the mining company. Um, as of this recording, is currently trading around 56 rands. I believe that it might go below that. I think maybe to around 50, 52 rands before it recovers. It's currently at all-time lows this year, which is not always a good thing, but I took a jab at their 2020 financial report and did some market research around recent news, what projects they're currently doing, and in my opinion, I believe that there's still value in this company. There's still water in the well. It's still water. There's still water in the well. So the two following stocks are not value stocks but rather growth, and the difference being growth stocks are companies that increase their revenue and earnings as at a faster rate than the average business in the industry or the market as a whole. The second stock pick is Clicks Group Limited. This one comes at a bit of a premium. I also went through their integrated annual report and did some fundamental analysis. Currently, the share price is at 297 rands. Click Group Limited shares are at all-time highs currently, but I believe that they're gonna stay that way because the company is sort of has an aggressive expansion plan. They have a potential to reach 400 rands or even 450 by the end of the year. But I might be reaching, I think maybe 400 rands before the end of the year. So this will depend mainly on the market conditions, how they play out with the pandemic, the riots, if there are any more riots, or how China handles their shipment issues, because China is SA's biggest trading partner. Yeah, so maybe Clicks might be importing some of its stuff from China. They still buy the dip opportunities. They might still be buy the dip opportunities if there is constraint there, but I don't think so. Anyways, to make this video short, I'm just going to mention the current price and prediction of the rest of the stock selection. So Capitec is currently trading at 1,832 rand. I believe that it might break 2,000. Um, it's also currently at all-time highs. Discovery is currently trading at 126 rands. I predict that it might reach 150 rands before the end of the year. Even before in 2 months' time, it might reach that price. Nedbank Group Limited currently trading at 170, and I believe that it will reach 250 rands by sometime this year. So the list is Beer, Stillwaters, Clicks Group Limited, Capitec, Discovery, and Nedbank. So, so if you're interested in low cost investment, I recommend that you start with Easy Equities because it's a low cost investment platform, and you don't have to worry yourself about things like leverage. If you don't know what leverage is, you get what you get. The leverage there is 1 to 1. What you invest, if the stock grows by 10%, your money is going to grow by 10%. If it decreases by 10%, you're also going to get a decrease by 10%. Instead of using your other brokers which offer leverage, which might be a good thing, but not a good thing for starters because now everything is multiplied with leverage. So your gains are multiplied as well as your losses. But if you're starting out, you are most likely to have more losses. When I started out, I lost like 5,000 rands in a month. But the good thing that happened for me was I learned from my mistakes and I decided to create this sort of YouTube channel so that people don't make the same mistakes. If you'd like me to make a video about that, just leave a comment below saying that you'd like me to make a video about how I lost 5,000 rands when I started trading stocks. And then secondly, if you like me to make a video about how to go through a financial report and sort of gauge matrices that can help you find what the company is really currently worth or what their share price is currently worth instead of buying overpriced shares, which was the demise of my previous trades, right? I bought shares that were hyped and people were talking about them. Yeah, let's buy the shares, but they were overpriced, and after that they just plummeted, and I was left holding my nothing, because my cash had been taken, so I was left holding nothing. Yeah, but if you'd like me to make a video about how to calculate a company's current worth, or what the share price should be really worth, comment below, and I'll do that. So this is the end of the video. If you enjoy this kind of content, like and subscribe. I'm gonna share more of it. I'm gonna sort of make a video of my portfolio, and share my portfolio with you guys, so that you can see that the suggestions not suggestions, because it's not financial advice, right? The predictions that I made and I make, I actually invest in the companies too. Bye. How do you exit? How do you say bye on YouTube? Do you say bye, or do you say bye, or do you say bye? And remember, the content of this video is of a general purpose and does not substitute professional advice. Any views expressed in this channel reflect the views of myself, and recommendations made and opinions expressed herein are made in good faith and are not financial advice. So if you follow them, just know that you're doing it at your own risk. Yeah.